This problem is based on elevator. There is a button inside an elevator in a building having 20 floors excluding ground floor. The elevator either goes 8 floors downward or 13 floors upwards when the button is pressed depending on the availability of enough floors to go up or down. A person has to go to the 8th floor from the 13th to 8th. What is the minimum number of times that he needs to press the button? At present person is at 13th floor, and if he presses the button he'll go 8 floors downward because there isn't 30 floor available for going upward. So after first pressing he'll be at 5th floor, and when he presses the second time he'll go 13 floors upward. So after second press he'll be at 18th floor, and when he presses third time he'll go down 8 floors, which means he'll be at 10th floor, and when he presses fourth time he'll go 8 floor downwards, which means after fourth pressing he'll be at second floor. When he presses fifth time he'll go 13th floor upward, which means 15th floor, and when he presses sixth time he goes downward by 8 floor, which means he ends up at 7th floor. If we keep proceeding in this fashion, after 19th press he'll be at 8th floor, which means required answer is 19. Where here minimum word is used because if you keep doing in the same fashion there will be some other instances as well when person will end up at 8th floor. So when it is pressed 19th time, this would be the first instance when person would end up at 8th floor. So this is the way we have to proceed for solving this question, which is rather time consuming but not difficult of. There is one more way to solve this problem is by equation. Here it goes 8 floor downward, which means it will be more frequent considering the number of steps in the elevator, and 13th floor upward, so 13n, and this has to be 5 because it's the difference of 5 which will ensure the person ends up at 8th floor, and elevator goes by 8 floor downward and 10 floor upward, so their difference will give us 5. When it gives us 5, our task would be accomplished, and the minimum value of m and n that satisfy this equation are 12 and 7 respectively. 8 into 12 that is 96, and 13 into 7 91, so difference of 96 and 91 is 5. So the number of times he has to press the button is 12 plus 7, which is 19. Therefore option B is the correct answer.